The Dolphin Sigma Robotic Pool Cleaner. This cutting-edge cleaner combines advanced features such as Bluetooth connectivity, massive top-load cartridge filters, and compatibility with pools up to 50 feet in length. With its intelligent cleaning capabilities and user-friendly design, the Dolphin Sigma is a game-changer in pool maintenance. One of the standout features of the Dolphin Sigma is its Bluetooth connectivity. By simply downloading the Dolphin Plus app on your smartphone or tablet, you can effortlessly control and monitor the cleaner. With the touch of a button, you can schedule cleaning cycles, select cleaning modes, and even receive real-time status updates. The convenience of Bluetooth technology allows you to manage your pool cleaning needs from the palm of your hand. The Dolphin Sigma is equipped with massive top-load cartridge filters that revolutionize the cleaning process. With their extra-large capacity, these filters can hold a significant amount of debris, reducing the frequency of cleaning and maintenance. Whether it's leaves, sand, or fine particles, the filters effectively capture and trap dirt, ensuring thorough clean and pristine pool water. The top-load design makes it simple to access and clean the filters, saving you time and effort. With its ability to handle pools up to 50 feet in length, the Dolphin Sigma is suitable for a wide range of pool sizes. Whether you have an above-ground or in-ground pool, this robotic cleaner is equipped to handle the task. Its intelligent navigation system ensures efficient coverage, maneuvering around obstacles and corners to leave no area untouched. From the floor to the walls and even the waterline, the Dolphin Sigma ensures a comprehensive clean for a spotless pool. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.